This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the emulator runs reliably. Install the latest Android Studio and SDK, then reboot into BIOS to enable CPU virtualization. This gives the emulator native performance. Once done, open SDK Manager and install the Android emulator and recommended system images for the target API level. Make sure to choose HAXM on Intel or enable Windows Hypervisor platform for Hyper-V on Windows, because the emulator needs a Next, you create and tune an Android virtual device to match your testing needs. In AVD Manager, pick a device profile, then choose an x86 or x86-64 system image for hardware acceleration. Avoid ARM images unless necessary. Once the AVD is created, edit its settings. Increase RAM moderately, set VM heap, enable GPU emulation, and enable quick boot snapshots to speed startups. Also configure camera and network options, so apps that use sensors and internet behave like on a real phone. Finally, you launch the emulator and validate it with your app. Start the AVD from AVD Manager and monitor logs in Logcat, then run or a DB install your APK to confirm UI and features. If the emulator runs slowly or fails to boot, first verify BIOS virtualization is enabled and that you chose the correct backend. Disable Hyper-V when using HAXM or enable Windows Hypervisor platform for Hyper-V. If issues persist, wipe AVD data or recreate the AVD with a different system image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.